Hello students, today we are going to discuss a new kind of bond, that is coordinate bond, right? Coordinate bond has two more names, as a coordinate covalent bond, or it is sometimes called a dative bond also, right? So what is a coordinate bond? Coordinate bond is a bond formed between the two atoms or between one atom and one molecule in such a way that the pair of electron is given by one single atom. Point to be noted, the pair of electron is given by one single atom, unlike the covalent bond where the sharing of electron was taking place between the two atoms, right? And both the atoms were contributing 1 1 or 2 or 3 electrons each. Here the bonding will take place in such a way that only one atom will give both the electrons, means a pair of electrons. That is known as coordinate bond, right? There are certain terms. The one which gives the pair of electrons is known as donor atom, and the other one which accepts the electron is known as acceptor, right? For example, I can say ammonia. In ammonia, nitrogen has a lone pair of electron, right? And in the molecule boron trifluoride, it is an electron deficient unit, right? It electron deficient compound. So what happens? Nitrogen from the ammonia donates a pair of electron to boron trifluoride. Okay, so that's why the nitrogen is a donor atom and boron trifluoride is acceptor. So the head of the arrow is towards boron trifluoride and the tail of the arrow is towards nitrogen, right? Now let us discuss one of the structure of one of the ion where the coordinate bond is taking place. What is that? The structure of ammonium ion, right? So how it happens? See here children, the molecule of ammonia is in such a way that the two electron, that is a pair of electron, a lone pair of electron is with nitrogen, and the one electron of nitrogen is sharing with one electron of hydrogen. It's a electron dot structure, that is why only the valence electrons of both the atoms are drawn. Fine. Now what happens when in any of the case, any H positive means it's a proton, we may call it as hydrogen ion or we may call it as proton. When a proton approaches to this ammonia molecule, then nitrogen donates a pair of electron to hydrogen, right? So what happens as a result of that? This hydrogen, means this proton, it sticks to the what? The lone pair of nitrogen, and rest of the bonds between nitrogen and hydrogen here remains the same. Only what happens when the nitrogen donates a pair of electron to this H positive, their H positive, sticks or it comes to the pair of electron, and as a result the total unit carries a positive charge, right? It becomes an electron deficient unit, ammonium ion. Now what happens here? This was the electron dot structure of ammonium ion, and here comes the geometric structure of ammonium ion, where this electron shows that nitrogen is donating a pair of electron to this hydrogen, and these three straight lines tell that there is a covalent bond between nitrogen and hydrogen, right? So what is there? There are three covalent bond and one coordinate bond in ammonium ion. Alright. So this is what is the structure of ammonium ion where the coordinate bond is used. So there are two more structures which we will discuss in the next video. So thank you children.